And nandito tayo sa farm ng aking brother. Yun ang kanyang mini kalapaw. Andun si Rebecca. Rebecca, it's okay. So, nandito nag-harvest ng mga fish. Ayan. Harvesting the fish ponds. So, may mga fish ponds dito. Ayan. Yung saya, diba? And, yun, mga baka. Andun si Hana kasama si Kuya Chrismar. Marami silang nakuha na. Patapos na. So, babawasan nila yung tubig ng fish pond. You want to use my hat? Okay. Here,
Because it's so hot.
I know. Ayan. So, it's good to be in the farm? Yes, you saw a cow, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you enjoy here?
Mommy, there's a mommy cow and a baby cow.
That's
Lost
right.
his mother.
Lost his mother? Oh. How sure are you?
Because he's so sad. There's the mother.
Ayan. Ganun lang po yung pag-fish nila.
He's founding baby.
So, andun si Rox. Saan Rox yung cellphone? Wadded box ay Tupperware. Purple the cover na. Kan. Ayun yung kapatid ko doon at si mother at yung isa, ang dalawang kapatid ng lalaki. So, andito si Hana Coots. Ugba-ugba. Bubu? It's not bubu. You want to go down? Slowly. Ayan, slowly. Oh. It's okay. It's just the cow.
Yeah. The mommy cow is crying because
The mommy cow is crying? Why?
because his baby lost.
His baby lost.
Baby's there.
Ah, the baby's there. And the mommy...
The baby is crying. The baby cow.
Oh, no.
Listen, Mama.
Mama, where are you? Ayan. So, ang sarap ng buhay naman dito sa farm. May fish ponds, may mga fresh kamates, may mga, ayan, mayroon tayong maliit na kalapaw doon, pag-ari ng aking kapatid. Nandun si Hana, is very hot, Hana? Yes? Come on, let's go and eat lunch first before we will harvest tomatoes. Ah, where's your hat? Chrismar took it. Ayan. So, nauna sila doon. May kulay. Ayan. Nandyan si Rox. Ito ay si Johnny. Ito ay si Ina. Ito ay si Dexter yan. Ilang? Margie. Ilang baon mo? Ayan, mga baon-baon namin. Ado-ado. Ayan. Ada-ada. Ado-ado. Ada-ada. Mangaon.